Hey guys, how you doing? This is Andy Huang. 大家好，我是黄嘉贤. Hey guys, I would like to share something with you. I have been talking to so many different people, businesses, real estate agents, so on and so forth. So everyone is hurting. So a lot of people, first thing they thought about is, oh my God, restaurants are all empty now, food courts, no one wants to go out. But what they don't realize, it's impacting globally, different businesses. I have a lot of my friends are Uber drivers. They're saying that they're definitely seeing a decrease, and then as well as other businesses. Forget about it. Even with our real estate, I had to turn down a couple of requests that saying that we have no problem putting the property on the market right now, but we have to ask you not to hold open houses. I say, yeah, absolutely. I don't. For those of you, if you know me, you know how I feel about open houses, right? So if you list the property right, there's really no reason to hold those open houses, because we're at a stage in our careers, associate brokers and brokers, we no longer run these open houses to get buyer leads, because we have enough clients as it is, right? And also by referral, stuff like that. So I have no issues. But the problem is, when I tell them, what happens, I understand that, but what happens if they really want to buy it, they still have to see it, right? You will never buy a car based on what you saw on either video clips or pictures, right? I mean, of course, we're going to do the virtual tour, we're going to do the 3D, all that stuff, we'll do it for you. However, when they're ready to buy, they still want to see a house. What about home inspections, all that stuff? So that's why. And even working with buyers, some of the buyers are very reluctant going into other people's houses now, because, just with this whole widespread of, the worldwide epidemic. So it's definitely impacting all the businesses. Again, I hope everyone is doing well. I hope this blows over. I can't say it's going to blow over soon, because it feels like United States is starting to get to that, that peak pretty soon. Hopefully we'll get over the hump soon, and it'll be a things in the past. All right, I wish you guys well. Talk to you guys later. Bye now.